Welcome back. This is the third video for the plenary session Monday, March 16th in GRA6036. We have already done assignment 3 from the final exam 2019, and now we'll do assignment 3 from the final exam 2018. And you can go in its learning and find this exam set here. So the exercise we'll do is this one. And as always, I advise you to try your hand at this exercise before yourself and before you watch this video. So in A, we are to find the positive integer n, so that this equality here is true. So let's write down the exercise. So we are to find n, so this is true. And we immediately see that, well, for this fraction to be equal to 1, the denominator has to be equal to 1. So, which means that it is okay to only look at the denominator. Okay. So, we must have that the denominator is equal to 1, and it's easier to do the math if we only consider this one. Okay, so the notation here is sort of awkward because we would like to have some, I mean, here we are to understand that this summation 1 over 100 means 1 over 100 plus 1 over 100 plus and so on n times. To put it on more familiar notation, we can define let's say AI to be equal to 1 over 100 for I equals 1 all the way up to this unknown n. So now we have this, which means that we can now write we can now write this sum as the sum of the AIs, which looks more familiar to us. So we then get that this is equal to, using the definition of a sum, A1 plus all the way up to the last AN. Now we know that, so since all these AIs are equal, they're all equal to 1 over 100, we can insert 1 over 100 for each of them, and then we get n such, so that will just be n times 1 over 100. So this will be equal to this, and 100 times 100 is 10,000, so we then get n over 10 to the power of 4, which is n over 1, 2, 3, 10,000, and this should be equal to 1. So we get this thing. And now we see that for this to be true, n must be equal to 10,000, which means that n is equal to 10 to the power of 4. And that was exercise A. And in the next video, I'll do exercise B.